Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In today's video, we are going to look at the features of the Little Olive Tweety Baby Stroller. So let's get started. We'll start with the basics, that is how to open and close your stroller. To close your stroller, simply press down on the metal bar seen here with your foot, which disengages the lock, and keep pulling it backwards. That's how easy it is to close your stroller. To open your stroller, you once again simply pull it open until you hear a click sound which indicates that it has locked in place. You can optionally also engage the safety lock which prevents the stroller from accidentally getting unlocked and folding while you're riding it. Next, let's look at the rear wheel locks. To engage the rear wheel locks, you simply press down on the red paddle with your foot. You can do this for the other wheel as well. Once you've done that, the stroller cannot be pushed forward or backward and will be locked in place. To disengage the lock, you simply pull it back up with your foot. Next, let's look at the front wheel rotation lock. Normally, when you move your stroller around, your front wheels are free to move left and right as per how you want to move your stroller. But in some cases, you may want to lock the movement of the front wheel to not be left or right and only move in a straight direction. To enable that, turn the front wheel around 180 degrees and pull the red paddle up to lock it in place. That will secure the wheel and it won't be allowed to move left or right and it will stay in place. You can do this for the other wheel as well. To disengage the front wheel rotation lock, push the paddle back down and bring the wheel to the front. Next, let's look at the footrest adjustment. The footrest can be adjusted to the horizontal position or to be in the bottom. To adjust it to the horizontal position, pull the footrest up and pull the metal bar from underneath it and secure it in the hook seen at the bottom of the footrest so that the footrest locks in place. To bring the footrest back to the bottom, lift it up, pull the metal bar down and pull the footrest back to the bottom. Next, let's look at the 3-stage UV resistant canopy. The 3-stage UV resistant canopy can be adjusted to 3 different levels, and it also includes a peekaboo window which also prevents mosquitoes from biting your kids. You can easily see what's going on inside the stroller without worrying about mosquitoes. Next, let's look at the safety harness. The safety harness belt must always be buckled up when your child is seated in the stroller. This is to protect your child from accidental injury. Next, let's look at the musical food tray. The musical food tray is a fun accessory for your child that helps to keep your child entertained. It requires 2 batteries and you can watch the assembly video for instructions on how to insert the batteries. The batteries are not included with the stroller. Your child can press on either of the buttons to enjoy some fun music. The seat of the stroller is made of a soft, breathable fabric that's comfortable for your child to sit on. The storage basket at the bottom has plenty of space for your child's essentials. The backrest can be adjusted to different positions by pulling up on this metal bar and adjusting the backrest. This is the inclined position, this is the flat position, and you can bring it back to the vertical position as well. You can also use the stroller in the backward facing direction by adjusting the handlebar. To adjust the handlebar, pull on both levers on either side and bring the handlebar to the front until you hear a click sound. Now the stroller can be used in the backward facing direction such that you can see your child while pushing the stroller. So there you have it, folks. Those were some of the features of the Little Olive Tweety Baby Stroller. The stroller has an attractive design It is very compact, easy to fold, and easily fits in the trunk of your car. Let us know your experience of using the Little Olive Tweety Baby Stroller in the comments below. Do share your feedback and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.